Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. This one is the 4-in-1 snap ring plier. It's a set for a circle clip combination retainer clip, and it is a heavy duty one. So this one I got it out of eBay for $6.57 and free shipping. With the tax and everything, total is $7.14. So yeah, this one is a must-have for all the mechanics. So anyway, let's go ahead and unwrap this. So it says a combination internal and external snap ring plier set. So it says range from 10 to 50 millimeter. So you got the external use and then internal use. So either way, there's a 180-degree angle, 45 and 90. So yeah, imagine you have the circular ring like that. You need to expand it, so you get take out that ring, okay? And some other one you gotta pinch in, so. Gotta figure out how to take this out. Let's see, push it. Oh, push it. Oh, cool. You see there's a little grease over there, so. Oh, so you put it right here to squeeze in instead. Cool. This is an awesome design. So this one is to expand. And you need to close this and insert it right here. And to pinch. So you need to insert this pin in there. Make sure you don't lose the spring, okay? So there you go. So this one is straight and 45, 90 degree. So you're two at the 180 then. Why both of them look kind of the same, so yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.